Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to review and explore the Semrush SEO tool. Its key features like keyword research, backlink analysis, and link building tools with some pros and cons for a better understanding. So let's get started. Before we dive deep into today's video, you can subscribe to our channel and get notified about new content. We keep sharing money-making ideas, digital marketing insights, tips, and tutorials of digital tools for our viewers. You can check out the 14-day free Semrush trial link from this video description and explore all the pro features. Once sign up, you can log in with your details and get into the Semrush dashboard that looks like this. Line overview is the first and key feature that allows you to explore the key metrics you own or competitor websites, including organic traffic, backlinks, and keywords ranking. Just put the required domain name or URL, and it will give you the latest SEO metrics to make informed decisions about your SEO strategies. You can steal the easy to rank topics and keyword ideas by reverse engineering your competitor sites and get quick search visibility by covering these low competition keywords on your website blog. So this way you can get quick organic traffic to the desired products and pages. Next, you can find the keyword gap between your site and the competitors by using this tool. Just put your domain and a few competitor domains together to get the best ideas for your content coverage and strategy. This way you can hunt down the possible content opportunities to boost your organic ranking. Further, you can get keyword ideas for your blog posts, product pages, and services. Just enter the primary keyword and filter out the results on the basis of keyword difficulty, user intent, and search volume to pick the low competition keywords. You can also export the keyword data into CSV and PDF format for offline use and an analysis. Semrush Keyword Manager allows you to organize your keywords based on pages, products, and categories through keyword lists. Use this technique to save the keyword ideas during your research process. Here is the example or demo list. You can take the ideas to organize your keywords and craft SEO-optimized content around them later. Analyze your website's backlink profile by using Backlink Analytics. Add the required domain name and get in-depth insights like referring domains, authority score, network graph, and anchor text. It will also give data about toxic and lost backlinks. That will help in redefining the off-page SEO strategy. Backlinks are a crucial factor, especially if you are competing in a high-value niche. EIs can perform complete backlink audits with a single click. Just click on the backlink audit option on the center left and enter the domain name you want to audit. Then click on the Start Backlink Audit button as shown in the video. Semrush will start analyzing your backlink profile and inform you later. It will take some time to see the results in the dashboard. Semrush has also built a link building tool for content marketers to find and outreach link building opportunities in your niche. Just enter your domain name and a few focus keywords, and this amazing tool will give you some good and relevant sites for link building outreach. You can craft, send, and manage all your outreach emails in a single place without any help from an email marketing tool. Just give it a try and you will not regret. There are several other features you can utilize for your SEO and content marketing needs, like website audit to completely analyze websites for on-page and technical SEO fixes. Just create a project with your domain name and you'll get a complete site audit. Semrush also makes it easier to boost your locale as a listing through listing and review management features that can be clearly seen at the left sidebar. You can optimize and manage your Google My Business for local SEO rankings. Next, you can take advantage of the on-page checker with all the key metrics to track for your client websites. If you struggle with your PPC campaign setup and optimization, then try Semrush PPC advertising features including keyword research, management, ads history for getting leads, and sales through PPC ads. Semrush also gives built-in social media management and scheduling tools to post, track, and analyze social media content. You can manage everything from Semrush social dashboard. Further, you can explore other content marketing features like topic research, SEO, content template, writing assistant, brand monitoring, and content shaker for creating SEO optimized content for your website. At the end, you can explore remaining Semrush features like Market Explorer, ION 1 to target, and traffic analytics to keep a close eye on your competitors. This way, you can keep yourself up to date about the latest industry trends and strategies for your digital marketing needs. You can check out the 14-day free Semrush trial link from this video description and explore all the pro features. Click on the like button below if you like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and enable notifications for the latest content.